Since ancient times, people have researched longevity and reversing aging, from Eastern Taoism and traditional Chinese medicine to Western modern medicine. Since Dr. Gore Hayden discovered NAD in 1914, many Nobel laureates have made significant breakthroughs in aging and reversal research. They have aimed to extend lifespan, suppress aging, improve quality of life, and address diseases and mortality issues caused by aging through methods like genetic sequencing research, development of anti-aging drugs, molecular structure synthesis and transplantation, and regenerative medicine. Among these achievements, NMN is particularly notable. NMN can partially convert into NET within cells, helping activate mitochondrial ATP energy metabolism, repair DNA, and keep cells youthful. Dr. David Sinclair, a renowned anti-aging doctor at Harvard Medical Center, showed through animal experiments that NMN can improve aging in mice, regulate various physiological functions, and extend lifespan. As a result, he was named one of the most influential white people by Time magazine in the United States in 2014. Thanks to these achievements, NMN has recorded sales of about $40 billion in the anti-aging field over the past few years, holding a unique position in the single-product sector. The emergence of AKG and achievements surpassing NMN. In 2020, Professor Zhang Hongbin, a Chinese professor at Harvard, led several major national projects as one of the world's most authoritative researchers and received the title of Distinguished Professor from CMB. In the same year, he published animal experiment results in the academic journal Nature, showing that AKG stops aging in mice and extends lifespan, which Dr. David Sinclair also highly praised and strongly recommended AKG's contribution. AKG versus NMN. AKG surpassed NMN because, unlike NMN, AKG directly activates mitochondria and the sirtuin 1.75 longevity gene without indirect effects. Animal experiments with AKG showed results that surpassed existing anti-aging substances like NMN, PQQ, and nano, proving it can extend human lifespan by an average of 8.5 years and up to 34 years. GnAKG Complex Anti-Aging Science and Technology. GnAKG is a complex anti-aging technology developed by DRG Life Science Research Institute. This technology has received various international certifications such as FDA certification, CGMP certification, BU Electronic Transformation certification, laboratory certification, and Halal certification. GnAKG enhances cell survival ability and supports overall immune function and cell health through a combination of ingredients that increase abilities like antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and senescent cell removal. Main effects of GnAKG. 1. DNA repair and maintenance of genetic stability. 2. Mitochondrial activation. 3. Neutralization of free radicals through antioxidant action. 4. Enhancement of immunity. 5. Promotion of normal metabolism. Protection and strengthening of nerve cells. 7. Promotion of protein synthesis to maintain skin and organ health. 8. Inhibition of tumor growth. 9. Improvement of exercise endurance. 10. Enhancement of cell self-recovery ability. Conclusion. GnAKG reverses aging within the human body, extends lifespan, and opens a new chapter in modern medicine and life sciences. Through GnAKG, we aim to continuously support the healthy life of humanity and innovatively improve the quality of life.